Oh, I'm cooking over here. And remember when I told you the other day that I was going to do this really cool thing for Halloween, but then the thing didn't come from Amazon, even though I pay like $10,000 a year to be a Prime member, still I don't get everything on the next day like it says I do. Well, the thing finally came, so I'm going to do it today. It's going to be so exciting. I'm so excited. So I can tell you what I got here. I got myself some sauce. Or as we say back in New Jersey, here's some gravy. I got some mozzarella cheese right there. And this is really good. It's Mexican cheese called Queso Cotija, and it's amazing. I've been putting out my eggs every morning, and it's freaking me out. It's so good. So right here, I made some pizza dough. Look at that pizza dough. It's so good. Look at that. It's all stretchy and does pizza-y things all the time like that. It's a real good pizza dough I made right here. And then I got some sausages right there. And you're probably thinking, like, what am I going to make? I got pizza dough, I got sausages, I got sauce, I got cheese. What am I going to make? Pizza, right? Almost right. Look at this. It's like a skull thing. It's so cool. I'm so excited about this. I can barely control myself. So here's how this works. You take your pizza doughs, and you want to break off a chunk of dough that's about the same size as the inside of your skull over here. And I'm just going to kind of guesstimate here, see what I get here. I really have no idea what I'm doing right now. That's a surprise, I'm sure you're thinking, right? You're thinking, this guy never knows what he's doing. Oh boy, I ripped a little bit, but that's okay. Alright, so I got my dough. Stick it over the hole, the skull hole. And you gotta stuff it down in there. You want to stuff it in pretty good so it goes in all the nooks and crannies and details of the skull. So when it comes out, it looks like a scary skull face. Ah! Like that. I'm really excited about this. I really hope it works. It looks as cool as it does sometimes. And now I'm gonna take some, get out of the way, Basil. Take some of my sausages here. Cut up a couple pieces of sausage. Put them in there. I need a napkin. Ugh, my hands. There we go, I'm gonna leave it right over there. Open up my jar of sauce. Gonna pour some sauce in there like that. That's probably too much, but I don't care. Now I'm gonna take some cheese. We got mozzarella cheese here. Notice I'm calling it mozzarella because it's Halloween. Putting that there. Then you can take another piece. I'm just ripping now because that's my style. Out of control. You put that on top. Seal it in. Seal it in. One down. A couple more to go here. This is so cool. I don't like I have enough dough to make all of them, but we'll make as many as we can here. I think I'm going to try to do one long strip this time and just fold it over on top. I think that's a better idea. It's all experimentation in my world, you know. Oh, nice one there. You spread it out. Whoa, pizza dough is cool. I saw a video over the weekend of some people making pasta. It was the most amazing thing in my life. I couldn't believe how cool it was. Fill in some of these holes here. Take some sausages. I cut up I have two sausages out, but I don't think I'm gonna use both of them. There we go. Oh, so slippery now. Put some more sauce on there. Sauce away. Everything is so slippery in here, you would not believe the slipperiness I'm dealing with right now. Alright, so this one we did an experiment where I kept it long. I'm just going to fold it back over. Ooh. I like that with the fold. That worked much better. Much better. Okay, so I'm going to make maybe one or two more of these. Probably two more. Then they're going to go in the oven, 400 degrees for 20 minutes. So we'll be back. I'm so excited right now. Look, we took the first one out. That is so awesome. Now, one thing I tell you right now, I think we overfilled it a little bit because you can see they're kind of like exploding out of here. Oh, that's really hot. Ooh, scary, scary. This one is really humongous. Oh, that kind of adds a cool effect though, that little drippiness. Oh, cool. Last one. Whoa, look at you, even see the teeth, it's so detailed. Wow, these are wicked hot. I'm gonna let them sit now for 5 minutes, and then I'll see if they taste as good as they look. Okay, here we go. They've been sitting out for like 5 minutes now, so total time out of the oven, 7 minutes. They sat for 7 minutes after I took them out of the oven. And they were in the oven for 20 minutes at 400 degrees. And they sat in their trays for 2 minutes. I took them out of the trays, and they sat here on the table for 5 minutes. Now I'm gonna see what they taste like. This is so cool. I don't even care if they taste bad, because they look so cool. Oh, look at that. There's lots of cheesy goodness in there. That's good. That's super good. I'm gonna tell you right now, you guys should all go onto the Amazon, buy that form. Make some of these for dinner in a week when Amazon gives the package to you. Thanks a lot, Amazon Prime. Boy, oh boy. What will we do next week? I don't even know.